Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to an edition of the Do Now. All right, first one. Boop. All right, right here. Find the tangent of x. SOHCAHTOA. Ready, set, pause the video, go. All right, let's see what we do. All right, first thing we always do. SOHCAHTOA. Always write that down. Tangent is the opposite over the adjacent, so I gotta label it here. So opposite the 90-degree angle is the hypotenuse. Straight across, that's the opposite side, and then the other side that's touching the angle but not the hypotenuse is the adjacent. Here we go. So notice the order I do it, I always do hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. That's how I always do it. So opposite over adjacent. SOHCAHTOA, easy to have. So opposite over adjacent, which is 15 over 8. 15 over 8. So that would be 15 over 8, which is H. All right, next one. I don't know. Oh my goodness. You have enough material to build a fence 120 feet long. If you use it all to enclose a square keyword, region, how many square feet will you enclose? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see how to do this one. Okay, so you have 120 feet of fence. You want to enclose it in a square. Here's my square. What do we know about a square? Yeah, all sides are congruent and all sides have 90-degree angles, right? But we're not talking about the angles, we're talking about the exterior, right? 120 feet of fence. So I'm going to divide it by 4. Why? Because I have 4 equal sides. So that would be 30, 30, 30, 30. So 30 plus 30 is 60. 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. There we go. So now ask me how many square feet. So square feet looks like that. So that's area. Side times side. The area of a square is side times side, or side squared, which is 30 times 30, which is 3 times 3 is 9, and then you can zoom the zeros, 900 square feet. 900 feet squared. So that answer is A. Good job. Next one. Woo! Distribute the negative. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see it. Notice I have the work all written out. You should have the same thing. So the way they're trying to get you on this one is you're not going to distribute the negative. You have to put the negative here. You got to put the negative on all these. So the way I do that is I change this to a plus, and then I change all the signs in this parentheses right here. This stays the same. So the subtraction becomes the plus. This is positive. I'm going to make it negative. This is positive. I'm going to make it negative. This is negative. I'm going to make it positive. There we go. So now I just combine like terms. So it's not in the same order, but that don't matter. So I got 5x squared and positive 2x, sorry, x to the third, and 2x to the third. So that would be 7x to the third. What else do I see? So xz squared. Here's xz squared. So it's 3 minus 4. So that's negative 1 xz squared, or you can just put negative. You don't need to put the negative 1. It's implied, right? Next, we have negative 17z and negative 5z. So that would be negative 22z. So I have 7x squared minus xz squared minus 22z as my final answer. So that would be A. Got it. Okay. One more. Similar to the last do now. Here we go. Common denominator. Ready, set, go. All right. See if you got it. So common denominator would be 15, right? Because you go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5, 10, 15. So the common multiple, least common multiple is 15, or least common denominator. So multiply this by 5 over 5, multiply this by 3 over 3. Fractions very important to get, not only for ACT, but also for calculus. So 5 times 2r is 10r. 5 times 3 is 15. Writing this down if you don't have it. 4s times 3 is 12s. 5 times 3 is 15. There you go. So same denominator, so I slide it. These are not like terms, so I just keep them apart. 10r plus 12s. There we go, over 15. There you go. J. Got it. Cool. Good work, everybody.